Meaning of December.
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 December. December is the 12th and final month of the Gregorian calendar. It has 31 days and is characterized by winter solstice in the northern hemisphere and summer solstice in the southern hemisphere. December is often associated with Christmas and New Year's Eve celebrations. The name December comes from the Latin word decem, meaning 10, as it was originally the 10th month in the Roman calendar. Today, it is a time of reflection, festivities and holiday cheer as people prepare for the end of the year and the beginning of a new one.